Apple is going to be moving to a 2nm manufacturing for the A20 Pro. What does that actually mean? Better efficiency, better thermal management, and sustained performance that doesn't throttle as easily. And for a Pro Max, that does matter. You're looking at a longer battery at better performance, especially when you're doing some of the heavy stuff like editing videos or gaming, whatever that pushes the phone. This isn't just a clock speed bump, this is architectural. The jump from 3nm to 2nm is real. We also know that the dynamic island is getting smaller. Apple is managing to fit more of the Face ID sensor stack under the display. For colors, we're getting the dark cherry as a signature finish for this gear, plus light blue, silver, and dark gray. The display itself is rumored to be brighter than before, which tracks with where the Pro line always goes. Incremental refinements on an already excellent screen. And now the cameras. The main sensor is 48 megapixels still, but Apple is supposedly adding a variable aperture. And this is honestly one of the more interesting upgrades since it gives you more room of creativity. You're not locked into one aperture anymore. And we also know that we're gonna get an Apple's own modem, which is going to be obviously better, and a bigger battery but not a thicker phone. The phone stays the same size, but Apple has managed to fit more battery in there, and this obviously means better endurance across the board. For the pricing, however, the Pro starts at $12.99 and the Pro Max starts at $13.99. So stay tuned for the full breakdown once Apple actually announces the iPhone 18 Pro Max.